Again and welcome. Today we are staying at Alton Towers. We booked the weekend and we're just checking in now. It's Friday evening, isn't it? Saturday evening. I don't even know what day it is. Saturday evening. It's a glorious day. It's a May Day, a glorious May Day. We're booked up for the parks for tomorrow, so we're just going to go and check in now, and then I'll give you a little guided tour around the hotel and our room. There we go. It's a lovely themed hotel, this. But yeah, we're just going to go and check in now, and we'll give you a bit more of a guided tour in detail a little bit later. Love the way they've got even the carpets themed. Beautiful.
Theming's great.
It is. So we've booked a Moon Voyage room, which is one of their preferred rooms. Mark's doing the honours for opening the door.
Or not.
He's trying to pull it. Oh, the teddy!
So here we go. A bit dark in here.
Teddy. I claim the teddy.
Well, this is very nice. It's a different aircon unit than we've used to seeing. This is new. Nice flat screen TV. And we have a double bed here with a big teddy.
Actually, his name is Mr. Teddy.
Which you can't take with you. It only comes with the room. You can give it a cuddle all night while you're here.
No, you can't. It won't fit in the bed.
I'm going to give it a dunk.
This hotel is, the Alton Towers Hotel is more of a steampunk type themed hotel.
Right up my alley.
What's the name of the explorer from here? Argon. We'll find out. We'll get back to you on that. But it's based on the whole hotel is sort of themed on this explorer, which we'll go and find the name and let you know. And then you get like for the kids, you get the double bunk beds. Well, not doubles, but bunk beds.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
Very nice. I believe you also get a Xbox, or you used to get an Xbox with this before. Where is it? Oh yeah, there we go. We've got a PlayStation. God, it's dark in here. Can we turn on the light? Is there a light?
There's one up here, I think.
Okay, well that really worked. But that's quite funky. So lots of little switches and dials and stuff for little ones and children to play. No, that's for that switch there, Mark. Maisie, how about you turn on that switch down there, Maisie? So we can.
These buttons do
So that's not really helpful. But there you go. There's a PlayStation there, and kids get their own little flat screen TV, which is cool. And then we head into the bathroom. Ooh. Again, the theming continues in here. It's quite funky. And a bath. And a shower. That's a pretty neat shower head. Yeah, so there we are. We're just going to get settled in here now, unpack our bags, and then I'll take you around for a little tour around the hotel. So we're now unpacked everything, settled into our room. Just take you for a quick guided tour. Sorry I didn't bring a mic with me. Yeah, so this is, we're up on the 3rd floor at the moment. Down there is the boat that carries entertainment. It's not on every night, especially off peak, but during peak times, yeah, entertainment each night. So up by reception now, there's a little area here for kids to have a little play, do some drawing, parents can chill out. Got some great views out here as well. There you go. So I'll take you out there in a bit. But yeah, so there's the main reception where we came in earlier. And then we have a little gift shop over there. I do love that. This hotel is incredibly themed. It's very, very nice. Yeah. And here we have the gift shop.
Thank you.
There's a few sweets and treats. And some plushies. How you doing? And if your little ones manage to get on the big rides, they get the little trophies. They're still on the reception floor. There's the lifts. Coffee portal. Loving the theme in here. There is a lot of seating around here as well if you want to chill out. So as I said, this is the reception, which is like the second floor, if that makes sense. Because you've got another floor downstairs, which is floor 1, but you actually arrive into the reception area on floor 2. So yeah, you can chill out here with a nice LCD widescreen TV. Great comfy chairs as well. And then yeah, great view, especially on a lovely May's evening like this. Very nice. You may recall I mentioned the Explorer earlier. Well, here he is. And it's Sir Algernon. And that's his exploring time machine, which is where the stage is set. It's great. Yeah, this place has one main restaurant in this hotel, which is the Secret Garden, and also has a bar area, which does, I believe, does some light snacks, maybe some food. Yeah, so we're going to head down now to the first floor. And just outside the first floor, you can go outside itself. There's a little balcony area here, which is really nice, like a veranda. And there we go. Perfect to have a sit down and a drink in the evening. Lovely. So this is the bar area where the entertainment's held. And the bar is Dragon's Bar. But it does do some snacks, I believe. And here is the Secret Garden restaurant. The talking tree there. Lovely food here. Now, this is the lake. Just outside, a little pond. But yeah, this is a hotel that comes with a spa, which is just down there. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. There you go. So it's a hotel and spa, this one. Dead nice, this place. And right opposite me there is a CBeebies hotel. So this walkway, you can walk all the way around, over that little bridge, into that little bandstand area. We can sit down and have a drink. And the path takes you right round. So we'll go through this path now. So as you go over this little bridge, so there's Alton Towers Hotel, CBeebies, and the spa's just down that way. Go over the little bridge, the canal, and you've got a kids' play area there. The path continues over here just by CBeebies into a little bandstand area there, which is dead nice. If you're quick and you catch it, it's a great place to sit down and have a few snacks and a drink in the evening. Beautiful. Yeah, we've just done the loop there, and there's the spa. So to give you a sort of guide of where we are, there's the hotel, that's where we came out. We walked all the way around there. It's the spa. Yeah, now from the reception area, you can actually, from the reception area, you can actually head through to the other hotel, which is the Splash Landings Hotel. And the beauty is that they share a water park, so I'll show you that in a minute. To the right of reception, you go through the double doors towards the rooms. Looks like you're going towards the rooms. You go past a load of rooms, follow the signs marked up for Splash Landings Hotel and the water park, which brings you back to this back entrance here. Now I will warn you, when you get to the water park area, as you're walking through the little suspended bridge there, because the pool is heated, it feels incredibly hot, like a sauna, even in the winter. Great looking mirror there. Yeah, so this is the suspension bridge I was talking about. It goes straight through the water park, and it's open, so you can see there's no glass or anything, or plastic sheeting. But it feels incredibly hot in here, obviously, because it's a heated pool. It's a really fun water park. I think it's closed now. I think it closes at 6 o'clock. Which I don't know if it's a norm. Maybe at peak times later in the summer it stays open a little bit later, because I'm sure we've been here later than that. But yeah, it's really funky. It's a shame really, because you don't even see the water features when they're working.
I'll be at the reception.
You got Lazy River.
Right.
And they even have a water coaster, which I don't know if you can see. Quite a big one as well, and it's great fun, that is, because they're like a 2-man dinghy. Yeah, it's great. I love the way they've got the little lights here as well. In the evening this looks superb, it looks absolutely gorgeous. And I tell you, it wouldn't be a bad idea if they opened this up in the evening for a few drinks and whatever. People would love it. A bit warm, I think, but there we go. But yeah, they do refreshments and stuff down there when you're in the park, and you get some snacks as well. It's great. And this will then take you into the Splash Landings Hotel, which we'll go to now. I forgot to show you, that's the outside. Follow the path round and then it brings you into the Splash Landings Hotel, which is just... And now we're at the Splash Landings Hotel, an arcade. Just coming through the walkway from the water park. We've got a nice little restaurant here. Flambeau's Jambo. It's that sort of based on Caribbean style type food, very Caribbean themed. Great little colourful hotel, great place. And then you make your way up the stairs. As you get up the stairs, the entrance to the hotel is just there. That's the way you come in. And there's your welcome area, your reception. Just show you the outside of here. It's got a little feature outside there. The Alton Towers Hotel is just that way. Yeah, so that's the entrance to Splash Landings. And yeah, and then you're into reception here. You've got a little gift shop and snacks like you do at the Alton Towers Hotel in that corner. Over here you have some entertainment area. Or an entertainment area, not some entertainment area, but an entertainment area. And you have a bar just down the bottom there. So yeah, the kids are knackered and you want to chill out, just bring them here. The kids will be entertained, you can have a drink, and happy days. So we're going to head back over to the Alton Towers Hotel now, and I will chat to you. And just like that, we're back in the Alton Towers Hotel. Very hot in that one. I'm back in the room. Right, we're just going to head downstairs now, I think, and chill out. Maybe grab ourselves a drink and watch some entertainment. Tomorrow we're at the parks, so we'll take you there with us. Weather's not looking great tomorrow, so I'm not sure how much we're going to be able to film, but I'll certainly do my best. Catch you tomorrow.